Hi, welcome. I look forward to reading some wise words, and I hope they open your mind up. Money is unlimited for aligned saints, so don't fearing it running out is key towards mental peace. Your birthright as an aligned saint is fortune. Enough is destined for your pockets as an aligned soul. For that reason, I emphasize how putting people down puts you down. Those comedy shows that encourage mockery, you heard the bird chirping? Haha, so cute. The majority of the time, those shows, when you mock, you lack positive vibes. The vibrations in the air are drawing energies, attraction energies. Once they are visible, it indicates that your life is headed towards eternal peace, and this includes fortune. When you mock yourself and or others through your attraction energy diminishes. We are poorly taught as prior to sainthood humans that laughing at everything bad and good is part of a good sense of humor. I would object to the statement. Laughing is not always medicine. Feeling bad after laughter, I'm not sure, but you shouldn't have even made the joke. Not only that, but the opposite is true barrier. So when you make an insensitive joke, you should not feel good about it. Feeling good after a hurtful joke has detrimental relevance. Clean jokes exist. We just need to know to express them. How to express them. Seek ways of expressing them. Laughing at unfunny jokes gives goodness to the joke maker and your own soul. So sometimes you'll find those unfunny jokes humorous after you realize that the severity of the other jokes were detrimental. It is a polite exchange, endorsing an innocent method of entertaining others through positive humor. Doesn't that sound like a good attitude for reaching heaven? Heaven is made for only mockery-free individuals. The absence of giggles that are unjustifiable of respect origin needs to be unlearned. After a joke, a person, joker, and listener should feel harmony. No mockery, please. That's it I have for you today. And yeah, so watch what you say and watch what you laugh at. That's it. Bye bye.